Hi and welcome back to Houseplant 101. Today I'll be showing you how to propagate succulents. Succulents are really easy to propagate and are perfect for beginners to multiply your collection. To start off with, I'd need a pot full of peat-free, free-draining compost. Next up, I'll need my succulent, and it's quite simple as plucking off the leaves. The next step is to just place your succulent leaves on top of the soil. In a few days, your leaves will callus over. Then in a few weeks, we'll begin to root. And that is literally it. This is a quick and easy intro to propagation. And in no time, you'll have thousands of succulents. See you next time.